Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a Wix website by adding live video or internet TV. This is a fantastic way to engage your audience in real time, whether you're streaming events, hosting live Q&A sessions, or broadcasting live content directly to your visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. This section gives you access to all your website management tools and settings. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to add a live video on. It's important to confirm you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects under one account. Once you've verified you're on the right website, look for the Edit Site button. You'll find this on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly into the Wix website editor screen where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, we'll start by locating the Add Element button on the left navigation menu. Click on it to proceed. The Add Element menu will expand, presenting you with a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. This is where you can really get creative with your site design. From the list of elements, locate the video and music element and click on it. This section contains all the video and audio tools you'll need. Under this section, click on Wix Video. You'll see a video player option that you can drag directly onto your website. Position it wherever you'd like it to appear on your page. Once the video player is added, click on it to select it. After selecting the player, you'll notice a Manage Videos option. Click on it and the video dashboard will appear. This dashboard is your control center for all video-related settings and features. From the video dashboard, click on Live Stream. This is the feature that will enable you to broadcast live content directly to your website visitors. Under the Go Live Now section, you'll be prompted to select the device you're using, either mobile or desktop. Make your selection based on what you're planning to use for your live broadcast. After selecting your device, Wix will automatically add the live feed to your website. The system handles all the technical setup, so you don't have to worry about configuring anything manually. Your live video player is now ready to stream content whenever you go live. And that's it. You've successfully added a live video or internet TV feature to your Wix website, giving your visitors an interactive and engaging experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.